Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to the channel. It's your boy Tuki and I'm back again with another video. So this is a pretty well requested video. So today I'm going to show you guys actually how to make the catfish that I made a few videos ago. And yeah, let's get started. So first off, I went ahead and rinsed off my fish, dried it off with a paper towel so that it's not too wet, because that's what gives you that crunchiness. If it's too wet, it's gonna get a little soggy. So over here, I have my Louisiana Fish Fry. And then here I just have some eggs that I went ahead and lightly mixed. I didn't like mix them up too well. I just went ahead and lightly mixed it up a little bit. And then the fish. Okay, so first, I season my fish lightly with just like onion powder, garlic powder, accent, and a little blackening season. You don't want to put too much salt in there because this Louisiana seasoning is already salty. So with this, it's just powder, so it's not going to add nothing but flavor to this. So we'll put a little onion powder on that, and then a little garlic. You can never over season with powder because it's just, I mean, it can make your taste a little strong, but it's not going to be salty. So you don't have to really worry about that. Then accent, it just enhances the flavors. And then a little sprinkle here of your blackening seasoning. And then you'll flip it over and do the same thing. Repeat those seasonings over. And I went ahead and I started my cast iron skillet over here. I got my cast iron skillet on the stove and I went ahead and put some grease in here already. So it's getting warm while I'm seasoning, or hot while I'm seasoning my fish right now. So that you don't have to wait for that. Okay. All right. So, I'm gonna pull these over here because I'm gonna use this again. So first, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take this and dip it in my actual fish fry here, like normal. Then we wanna take it in the actual egg, get a little egg wash on there, you know, and you let that excess drip off. You don't need too much in there, you know, just to make another double dip batter. And this is what's gonna give it that extra crunch. It's kind of like how some people do their fish, I mean their chicken sometimes. So put that in there, get a good coat. And I'm gonna put that back over here and I'm just gonna repeat this process with the rest of my fish fillets. And some people use fish nuggets, I guess. Basically you just cut up the fish fillet into little pieces. You can do that as well. I like mine actually in a big form. I don't like the little nuggets. And I don't buy nuggets also because it has that black stuff on there. And I just can't. I'm gonna dip that, batter that in there again, get that nice and coated. Now you don't wanna just leave all that on there. So you wanna coat it, but you also wanna get some of that excess off because it's not gonna do anything but get your grease dirty and make it black. And then all your food starts like it's burning up. Getting that little black thing, a black look. And it don't have that nice brown crisp look to it. So you can get it brown and crispy without cooking it too long and having it too dark. So I take some of this excess off because I don't want too much egg on there. So I'm gonna batter that again. So, in the meantime, I'm going to check on my grease over here. It's getting about there, almost. So I cook my fish on about a medium high. Not too high, not too low. If it gets too low, it's going to be gummy and it's not going to be good. If it gets too high, then it's going to be black and nasty because it's going to look like it's burnt. So you gotta get you a good temperature on that in order for that to come out just that golden brown that we're looking for. So get that excess egg off of there again. You don't want to have that too much taste of that egg on there. It's not the same. We're gonna dip that for that last time. And again, I don't add any more seasonings to this because this here is already seasoned. So that's gonna give it a good flavor automatically. But I just add the onion and garlic and accent, a little blackening, give it a little spice, a little kick, and we're good, okay? Grease is hot, good to go. I'm gonna go in here with this catfish fillet first, lay it in there, get that going, and that grease. You see that bubble? That lets you know that it's ready. If you put your fish in there and it's not doing that, it's gonna come out gummy, and you're not gonna like that. Don't put too much in your pan. Don't want to overcrowd it. Okay, so we're gonna cook 2 at a time here. Okay, let that cook. I use a fork to keep it, because I don't want it to sit on the bottom of the pan. So that's how you get that little black on there. And I like that golden brown look to my fish. Okay, we're gonna let that cook for a little bit on that one side. Already getting a little crispiness to it already. Y'all see that? It's already firming up. We're gonna let that cook about 3 minutes. 2 to 3 minutes on each side to get that look that we're going for. So this fork is basically doing what, when you cook in a deep fryer with your basket, how it keeps it up. That's basically what I'm doing with my fork right now. And these are some thicker pieces of fish too, so you want to make sure that they get done in the middle. So it's not those little ones. These are the big piece of fish, and it's not nuggets, so it takes a little bit longer than a smaller piece of fish or an actual nugget. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take my spatula and flip my fish over with my other fork so that the grease don't pop. Just flip that like that. You gotta be careful. You don't want to pop grease everywhere. And boom. You see that golden brown look that it's already giving right there? It's because I kept it from off the bottom and making sure it floats. Because at first, it's going to be a little bit more dense, but once it starts cooking, it's going to automatically float. But you still want to keep it off of the bottom of the pan a little bit so it don't get charred. And this is how you want to get that good golden look to the thing here. I got this fish from Albertsons, from the deli, the seafood section, Albertsons. You know, I just asked them for a catfish fillet, fresh catfish fillet. You can use any fish, but this is the fish I use just in case you want to know. It's a real simple thing. Use my cast iron skillet because it gives me it fries it harder like it's in a, I don't know. I like it better in this versus cooking it in any other pan or pot, deep fryer. I love cast iron fried fish. So I'm gonna cook this today. I'm probably gonna go ahead and just do a video. Also, I'll release a video of me actually eating this fish later with some sides. As you can see, I got some mashed potatoes over here, some red potatoes boiling. I'm gonna cook with it with some little greens and macaroni and cheese. So I'll do that. Y'all see that video coming out after this with this actual fish that I'm gonna have to make right now. Golden brown. That good. That good. Golden brown. Of who? Okay, so when you feel it, you can feel it already. Like my fork right here, you can tell that's firm. Since it's a little bit. You could always just check on it, get your little spatula check, and you can see that. Y'all see that? It's still golden brown, no char. And let it cook just a little bit longer. It has that brown, but we need it golden brown. You put up off there, so let's get that going. And this is going to be really flaky too. Just because it's crispy, it's going to be flaky in the inside. And it's real nice. With that crunch to it. I know I love the crunch. So if y'all make this catfish, I want y'all to tag me on Instagram. Can you see me? On Instagram at Dutch_Tuki. Okay? And I'll reshare how it looks. Hopefully it comes out looking just like mine. Or better. Probably won't be better, but you know. Alright, so I'm gonna give it 30 more seconds and I'm gonna go ahead and take that out of here. Let's get that nice look right there that I like. Okay, yeah. A lot of times people say, you know, you have to realize that the denseness of your actual food. You want the inside done as well as the outside. You don't want to eat no raw fish, okay? This ain't sushi. Deep fried sushi. So I'm gonna go ahead. This is done. And I got my plate here that I'm gonna drain it in. It just got a little plate of just a napkin. Get this done. Okay. Take the next one out. Oh. Deep fried. Look at that. That's crisp right there. That's some crispy fish. So I got 2 more here. I'm gonna go ahead and put these in here, cook these, and I'll be back with the finished product. Alright, so now we have taken all our fish out the grease, and I have went ahead and plated it. Just put a little, I like peppers and lemon. I'm gonna put, of course, eat it with some hot sauce, and you can put whatever you want with it. But as you can see, that's that nice, crisp, golden brown catfish. It's gonna give you that nice crunch that everyone likes. And you can get it crispy and brown without being soggy, okay? Show them your necklace.
I don't know how to flip your camera around.
Let me see. Okay, that's all.
Yes, I ordered it from my website, unfeignedergy.com. Check it out. I have all types of accessories for men and women.
All right. All right, and so always, guys, thank y'all for watching my channel, and I thank y'all again. If you haven't already, go ahead and subscribe to this channel, like this video, and please share this video with any and everybody that you feel like would like this. And until next time, see you later. Peace.